comments section, someone can tell me, should I avoid turning it upside down? I don't know. Good. Slowly but surely, you're getting there. So it's not tightened together. But that is the base in place. Forgot to film the last part, but I just put the tracking arm on. Slowly coming together.
Running like a bloody dream. Show you.
Beautiful. The next step for this belt grinder, which isn't going to be in this video, is going to be to decorate him with all sorts of cool things. Some pretty chickies, some runes, a couple of gods, the good shit. I think this is going to be awesome. That's going to go right there.